So I'm sitting here messing around with this synthesizer online. I clicked on Flint Kid Shuttle Drawn or whatever. Tell me this does not sound like something off of Resident Evil 4. It sounds like when you first meet one of the zombies. I think it's where he like turns around and looks at you. No, I think it's when you pick up a key item it makes that sound. I swear that's it. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I think I might have found the sound. I just said screw it and started a whole new save. I knew the sound appeared in the village at some point. So we're gonna see if it's not been up here so far, but this is close to the end of the village, so we're gonna see if it's right around in here. Oh shit, what are the hotkeys? Oh damn. Okay. There it is. We found it.